this occasion we're going to continue with the project that we have been working with. The last time, if I am not wrong, we were able to, let me see, we were able to make the connection string, right? Now what I'm going to do is just to make, for example, the table on MySQL. Being honest, that would be more than enough, okay? Let's do it. Let's go to SAMP, and here I'm gonna place this as administrator. Let's hit on yes. And after it runs, what I'm going to do, oh, okay, sometimes it is up, it is running when it should be. What I'm going to do is simple. I'm going to stop it, stop here, and then start it again. Let's go now to the localhost, phpMyAdmin. You may be wondering, how do you know right now that you can stop the SAMP if every time that you open it as administrator, it is running? Well, I know it because I know that my computer in certain way is being used as a domain. How do I know that? Because of the type of the computer that I have right now. It was something that they are doing without my permission, but sadly they are doing it. And I don't know if they are happy with me knowing about it, but I know about it. What they don't know is that I don't like thief, I don't like stealing, I don't like betrayal, I don't like indirect lies anyway. But if they are happy with the decision that they make, well, while they don't interrupt my job and your job, for example, we can move forward. Or can we? Let's just say here the simply DB, and in here we're gonna go users, and let's say that this is the users table, just like that. And let's put a slash over there just to say that this is a private table. Every time that I create a table that is mine, that I would like to be mine and not anyone else, I will put a slash over here. Let's hit on create just as default. Let's say that it's an ID, and let's auto increment on here, and let's hit on username. Let's varchar, then let's say that is the 25, for example, is a good number for the username. Password, let's place it as a bar chart, or let's say that is a text because we don't know how long it is going to be. Let's place it 100, for example, because we don't want more than 100 characters. It can be dangerous. Just it's a suggestion to put a limit to the password, okay? And let's say that the username will be also with a name, name, full name, just like that, full name. And here we're gonna put varchar, and we're gonna say that it is, for example, 29. On the full name, it doesn't have to be, for example, 4 strings, 4 words. It can be just just 2 words. For example, my name is Reynald Manuel, or Jesus Christ, things like that. Okay, also Lao Tzu, if you are in China, or let's say that it is in Japan. I don't know how to say in Japan. But the thing is that every name in in different countries sometimes can be different. For example, my name in China is Lena De. Okay, let's register one here. For example, let's say that this is my username, just the same that I always use. And let's place a password. And here I'm gonna place the chat1 as encryptor. And let's say that it's going to be just like this. And just this. And the full name is Reynold Manuel. And that's it. Continue. And that's everything. Now we're gonna go to username. And you can see that it has the ID, it has the username, the password, encrypted, and the full name. So that was everything. Let me see what else I am missing. Being honest, what we miss is just to bring the data to test if it is, how can I say, accessible from the database. But being honest, it is not going to be like a very big deal. Something else that we should do is to create, for example, just to take time, is to create the DRE expanded or DRE node space. You would say DRE node space right now. Yes, I don't like the city death note, but the truth is that to overcome things that are bad, you are not supposed to be running from it. I mean, that is my way of thinking. I don't run from the things, even though if they become dark. Actually, I see it just like if it is something in a certain way normal in life. Sometimes it's because God gave liberty even to the ants, for example. One ant is walking and you don't know how happy it is when it's free. Just imagine if one ant is happy with liberty, imagine how much more people, if you leave them be how they would like to be. Let's go here, text area. Let's say that this area is gonna be text, and let's leave it without limit. And let's say that we would like user ID. The user ID is going to be and it's going to be attached to an index. And the index, we're gonna say that it's user ID index, just like this. The name is not like super crucial, but it's good to put the name. Now, what else can be missing? Oh, the date, and also the title. And the date is going to be a date time, just like this, and the title is going to be a bar chart, and it's going to be, for example, 28, just like this. And that's everything. Now we hit on save here, and we have now the table to the users and a table also to the DRE node space. We could go, for example, to the designer view, and here we could make, for example, the relationship that needs to be made. Just to do it quickly, for example, we can create a user ID with the user table, cascade. Okay, so, okay, we got an error. Let's do it vice versa, from here to here, cascade, and that's it. So see you the next time. Remember that Jesus Christ of Nazareth loves you much more than my cell phone. Bye bye.